Yeah. Where is this? 718. Spring Boot Data JPA. Working with, you know my numberings, huh? 14, 13 extension in memory is already completed. Yesterday we completed date and times also. Working with large objects, LOBs. LOBs are two types, blob, glob. One is binary large object, other one is what? Character large object. Audio file, video file, image file, PDF file, and etc. comes under blobs are not there. Glob, character large object. Text file, rich text file, CSV file, and etc. comes under what? Yeah, CSV means comma separated value. I think you attended Spring Batch. There you understood what is CSV. MS Excel is internally CSV file only. MS Excel sheet is there, na? Internally CSV file. Almost all major database software supporting what? Large objects. Okay. One more suggestion, request. Uh, Saturday, anyhow, regular class is there. Common topic is there. Common topic is 9 o'clock. Regular class is 7 p.m. Is there any chance of me conducting that regular class at 11 o'clock? Any problem? Online students, online students, especially the people who are attending from far distance with a different time zone, far distance with a different time zone. Okay. Majority says no problem. Fine. Tomorrow also I'll ask one more time. So if no one says problem, okay, it will be conducted at what? 11 o'clock. This Saturday session will be conducted at what time? 11 o'clock. Okay. Then Sunday anyhow online session, 7:15 a.m. online session. Monday to Sunday, it's going to be Dasara vacation for a week. I'll give videos to watch. Don't worry. You don't feel you need not to miss me. I will give videos to watch. Right? Okay. October 6th onwards, again back to regular timings, regular classes. This is the plan. Only Saturday, 7 p.m. I am planning to shift to 11 o'clock. Tomorrow I will give double confirm. Kubernetes. Yeah, I will plan because now all are in vacation mode. I will plan after vacation. Or otherwise I'll give recording video something. Yes. New DevSecApps batch, 9 a.m. common topic, 11 o'clock regular topic. Yes, that's good. Yeah. Only in standalone application, the large objects will be saved directly in DB table columns. Okay, that means we take a column types as what? See, job seeker ID, job seeker name, qualification, photo. What is the column type? Blob. Resume, glob. Your photo is saved, your resume is saved. Your photo is saved, your resume is saved. Files are directly saved in what? DB table columns. The files are saved directly in what? DB table columns. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super, guys. Okay. Suppose you are developing standalone matrimony application. So matrimony means resume should be saved. If not resume, biodata. Photography is minimum, na? Come on, guys. Okay. Parents are interested in biodata. Boy, girl are interested in photograph. Quite obvious now, boss. Parents will do math and we do, and as boy, girl, you do what? Looks. Compatible or not, good looking or not, right? Uh, Fine. Okay. So that's why photo insertion is required in job portal application. Nowadays they are asking photograph. Next, matrimony applications. Either you know matrimony. Yeah, shadi.com. Bharat matrimony, right? But first naukri.com, then shadi.com. If you reverse it, life will be reversed. Yeah. Next, standalone matrimony application, standalone job portal application. Sir, what about web application and distributed application? Standalone means one user at a time. So one organization photograph, one organization resume. See, quite manageable count, guys, right? But if you like it online website or distributed application, that will be having lakhs of customers, crores of customers. If we start storing all files in database software directly, one day database software will crash or not there. That's why they use intelligent approach, guys. Website means client machine, server machine. They take the files as uploaded files. They bring to server machine. They will save them in server machine hard disk folders. They collect the address paths and they will add address paths to DB table column as string values so that no burden on the database software. So that there will not be any burden on what? Database software. Is it interesting, my dear? Think about YouTube. If they start storing all videos, kachra, nowadays people are uploading every kachra into YouTube, right? All worst content, best content, useless content, everything is there in YouTube, right? If they start putting all videos in what? Database software Oracle, database software Oracle will cry and die in one day or not there. So what they do now? They keep racks of hard disks, not one two hard disks, racks of high-end storage hard disks. Okay, they will save the uploaded files folder wise and they will take the address paths and they will add in the DB table columns as string values. That is what they are going to do. Or one more option is there nowadays. There are some cloud-based softwares, guys. They will keep the images or files there. From there, they get the tokens, IDs kind, tokens kind, and they will insert tokens against the records in the database table. What about retrieval, sir? Simple reverse process. Retrieval is what? Reverse process. They submit the ID. Come on. They submit the ID. They will download the file, whatever they have saved in what? In these third party cloud softwares. But one thing is very sure in web application, distributed application, we are not going to save large objects directly in what? DB table columns. That's for sure. Okay, check it out. In web application, distributed application, the large objects, nothing but files, will be saved in what? Server machine file system, and their address paths will be written to what? DB table columns as string values to avoid performance issue with what? Database software. Matrimony web application, job portal application, social networking application like Facebook.com, Insta, all this stuff. Check it out, guys. In web application, what happening? So let us assume website is there in one server machine. In the server machine, all uploaded files are saved now, boss. Okay, that's good. Photo path varchar to resume path varchar to. We are taking photo path as string value, resume path as what? String value. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Photo path as path value and this one as what? This one. Okay, check it out. As a string value, I am storing the paths now, boss. So what about downloading, sir? What about getting them back? From table, we'll get the addresses. We go to the files, we download the files. So now, right now, button on the hard disk, button on database. From database prospect to string values only. Yes or no, na guys? Now tell me, it's a button on what? It's a button on hard disk, button on database of. Hard disk can take any button, my dear. Come on. Here we are saving only address paths of files and as a string value. Here we are saving only address paths of files as string values. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. In some web application, distributed application, The large objects will be saved in separate CDN, content delivery network server. What server? Content delivery network server, CDN, or DMS, document management system server, or NAS, network attached storage, or S3 bucket server, and etc. And we get token IDs from those server representing what? LOBs insertion. And these token IDs will be inserted to what? DB table columns as string values. DB table columns as string values. Are you getting my point there or not there? Matrimony web application, job portal application, social networking application. One option is store in hard disk, save their address paths in DB table column. Another option is cloud-based storage mechanisms are there like DMS, NAS, CDN, S3 bucket. You insert the files, they will generate one token. It's like this. When you put any item in the clock room, in railway station, clock rooms are there. Are clock rooms, ra? Outside the railway station, you can keep the luggage there. You will get the token. Come on, and you can go out and you can take care of your work. Once you come back, again you can collect your luggage, right? Remember that? Yeah, I'm talking about those clock rooms. If you submit the token, you will get the ID. Yeah, like this, you will get the token and you'll try to store those token into database or not there, guys. But right now we are not into web application or distributed application development. That's why we are going to deal with standalone based application only. Super. Sir, fine. What kind of properties I should take while dealing with what? Large objects. In entity class, you have to take byte array type property representing blob column value. Byte array with @LOB annotation. Character array with @LOB annotation. So byte array can represent blob column data. Character array property can represent blob column data. But to tell that they are not just there to hold, they are there representing LOBs, you should add @LOB annotation. What annotation, guys? And luckily, blob clob data type support is there almost in all major database software. Maybe in Oracle with the names blob and cob as the column data types. When it comes to MySQL, the data type names are what? When it comes to MySQL, the data types are @lob, sorry, tiny text, medium text, large text, tiny blob, medium blob, large blob. Same, but ranges they have given. Tiny means small, medium means medium range, large means large. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. In ORM framework like Hibernate, we take entity class as serializable class for two reasons, guys. It's a recommendation, not a rule. Okay, number one reason. Suppose I want to send entity class object data over the network. So it should be serializable or not there. Reason number one. Reason number two. Okay. Reason number two is, listen carefully, this is very crucial, guys. Listen carefully. Second one. Caching support is there in Hibernate and Spring Data JPA. Generally for caching, it will use JVM memory only. If that is not sufficient, it can use hard disk memory also. Hard disk memory means file content. If you want to store any Java object data to a file, it first of all serializable or not there. That's why it is recommended to take serialize. Two reasons you have to take entity class as serializable. Number one, to send entity class object data over the network. Number one. Number two, okay? Number two, tell me. Hibernate Spring Data JPA supports disk caching. When JVM level cache memory is not sufficient, it can use what? Hard disk memory for storing the data, right? Hard disk memory for what? Storing the data. Are you getting my point there? Hard disk memory means object data should be stored into files. If you want to save object data in file, it should be serializable object or not there. Must and should be serializable object or not there. Serialization is the process of converting the object data into bits and bytes so that they can be written to a file or over the network. They can be written to a file or what? Over the network. Are you getting my point there, guys? Second case, disk caching. For that, you should write to file serialize. First case, you want to send object data over the network. That's why serialization is super. In entity class, at the rate lob on byte array property makes Spring Data JPA or ORM framework giving what? Blob data type column in DB table. What column, guys? Blob data type column in DB table. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super, guys. In entity class, at the rate lob on char property make Spring Data JPA or ORM framework giving what? Glob data type column in DB table are very simple. Byte array, char array. These are the two things. The Boolean property data is true false in entity class will be stored in DB table as a number column value 0 or 1. 0 for false, 1 for true. 0 for false, 1 for true. In Oracle MySQL database software, there is no Boolean data type support directly. So numeric column will be holding what? 0 or 1. 0 for false, 1 for true. Okay, today I'm going to cover three things. Boolean data type insertion and large objects insertion and normal data insertion. Already date we covered now. We go for remaining things. So first focus on what? Insertion of the large object. Okay. Challenge what you know. We have a file having image content. We have a file with the text content. Reading that content, converting into byte array is the challenge. Because property type is byte array, na? That means you have to play a lot of with IO streams are not there. Come on, guys. Tell me how many types of IO streams are there? Two. Byte streams, characters. Generally, to read the data from binary file, byte streams are used. Binary files means audio, video files, images. To read data from text files, we prefer what? Character streams. Example for byte streams are what? File input stream, file output stream, data input stream, data output stream, this kind of. Input output means byte streams. Character streams, example for character. File reader, file writer, come on. Buffered reader, buffered writer, come on. These are reader writer wordings means what? By character streams. Reader writer terminology means what? Character streams. And tell me next one. Input stream, output stream words means what? Byte streams. Everyone getting my point there? Somehow you have to use these streams support and you have to get byte array, character array, and you have to set that data to entity class object and give to what? Hibernate indirectly by calling save method, right? That will take care of creating columns and inserting data. Right now we are developing standalone application. That means large objects will be inserted directly in DB table or not there. Super, guys. File, new, where is this? Spring Starter project. Spring Starter project. Boot Data JPA. What is there? Boot Data JPA pros 10. Boot Data JPA pros 10. Tell me. Boot Data JPA pros 10. Working with LOBs. Working with lobs. Working with lobs. Say next. Lambda KPA required. Spring Data JPA is required. Next. Hercules driver is required. Next, MySQL driver is required. Say next, say finish. Web is not required because we have not taken web. It is not a web application development so far. Yes, guys. Now, let's not waste time in application.properties file development. We can happily copy paste from previous project. Same story na boss. That's why. Working with large objects. Say paste. Yes to all. Okay, that's great. Let's take the packages, guys. Package com.nt.entity. That's the one thing. New package com.nt.service. Next, new package com.nt.runners. New package, tell me. com.nt. What is there? Repository. com.nt.repository. These are the things that we are taking, guys. These are the things that we are taking. That's really nice. We want to talk with multiple table in single application, how to communicate. Gayatri madam, there is a concept called joins. There's a concept called association mapping. Wait until I launch that topic. Possible, but you have to wait until I launch it. Clear? Yes. Okay, that's good. com.nt.entity. Right click new. Where is this? Class. Right click new class. Tell me, boss, what is the story? Right click new entity. Tell me here. Shadi.com. No, I think can I take marriage seeker? Marriage seeker? Yeah, fine. Let's enjoy. Kindle. Hey, worst fellow. Don't forget you are in the classroom, ra. Marriage seeker, guys. Marriage seeker. Yeah, implementing serializable is optional, guys. Because right now I'm using it in the application optional, but a good habit is better to make it. If you don't do also, not a problem. It's optional, not mandatory. This is entity class, guys. This is data, guys. All constructor, guys. Here is what? All arg all arg constructor, guys. Tell me. Private integer MID. Next, private string M name. Okay, name. Yeah, applicant ID, applicant name. Tell me. String address. String address. Tell me next one. Age means date of birth. Yesterday we seen it. Okay, you want, we will take it. Local date. DO. Yeah, tell me, guys. Yeah, local date. I want to take one Boolean property. Boolean single is single. Private Boolean single is single kind of thing, right? Okay, single or married. Because see, marriage seeker can be single or second marriage. Yes or no, na? Because person can be a like a innocent person trying to do the same mistake again. Yes or no, na? Right. Single or what? This. Yeah, 10 ways. Yeah, integer, string. Okay, let's go for byte array. Byte array photo. Next, private char array resume. Private char array resume. At the rate ID. Next, at the rate ID. At the rate. Array, why will work with the default generator, na? Okay, in default MySQL auto, in Oracle it will take sequence. Fine. Generated value. Yeah, it will go by 1 to 52 like this. Okay, fine. That's not a big issue now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, array, why this is disturbed, ra? Yeah, for string columns, better to control the length, na, boss. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. Next, at the rate column, length is equal to 30. Okay, at the rate LOB. At the rate LOB. That's the annotation we have to tell. Okay, Boolean not required, it will by default take a numeric one. Okay, I want to have a constructor except covering except ID property. So for that, required arg constructor, that's good. At the rate non-null. What is there, guys? At the rate non-null. Here is at the rate non-null. Okay, that's a great news. Next, at the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Non-null. So I'm trying to have parameterized constructor, guys. So with this, we are ready with entity class, guys. Anything great? All covered now. Simple properties covered. Boolean is covered. Next, date is covered. And byte array pointing to blob, by character array pointing to clock. All types are covered here or not there? Yeah, definitely all types are covered here or not there, guys. Yeah, that's for sure, guys. Tell me here. Marriage seeker dot Java. Let's go for New interface. What's the interface, guys? I marriage seeker. I marriage seeker. Add. What is there? JPA repository. What repository? JPA repository. Any other questions? Sequence generator require. Array, I'm taking default generator, Babu. Yeah, tell me what is there? Marriage seeker. Marriage seeker. Where is next? Int is. One is marriage seeker, other one is what? Int is. Okay, I think here everything is kept. At the rate table is not kept. What happened? What happened, guys? Okay, class name itself becomes table name or not? Okay, if you don't want, okay. Marriage underscore seeker. Marriage underscore seeker. That's great. What, mister? Today, hmm. Fine. Look at this. Marriage seeker repository. I don't want to take confusing name. Let's change the file name to this. Okay, that's good. Great. Now, what I do is go to service. As usually, go to service. Yeah, tell me here, where is this interface? I matrimony. What is that? Matrimony management. I matrimony management service. Here is what? Public string. Register marriage seeker. Marriage seeker seeker, guys. Marriage seeker seeker. Next, new class. Matrimony management service IMPL. Add iMatrimony. iMatrimony management service. Say okay. Say okay. Tell me. At the rate service. What is that? At the rate service. Tell me. Private high marriage seeker repository. What is there? Marriage repo. At the rate auto. Not marriage repo, not sounding good. MS repo. What is repo? MS repo or seeker repo, your choice. Yeah, that's fine, guys. Int id val is equal to ms repo dot save seeker dot get aid. Seeker dot get aid. Okay, tell me. Marriage seeker is saved with the ID value plus ID. Marriage seeker is saved with the ID value plus ID. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. public string register marriage seeker seeker into id val is equal to ms repo dot save seeker dot get aid return marriage seeker is saved with id value plus id value. Are you getting my point there or not there? That's great. Matrimony management service, matrimony management service IMPL. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. So here are my runners, guys. New, where is this? New class. Okay. New class. Tell me. LOB insertion test runner. Because for insertion separate runner, for retrieval separate runner, I want to take. I don't want to avoid, I don't want to have a confusion. LOB insertion test runner. Not this. Okay. Add, what is the thing? Command line runner. Command line runner. Okay, that's good. Let's make it at the rate component, guys. Let's inject the service class, guys. Tell me. Marriage seeker repository, not repository. Matrimony. Matrimony management service. Okay. Right. Matrimony. MS service. Something, guys. At the rate auto. Right. What is there, guys? At the rate auto. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. What is there? Catch exception E dot print stack trace. Scanner SC is equal to this, right? Yes. Scanner SC is equal to this, guys. Yeah. At the rate auto void. Matrimony management service, MS service. Here is my what? Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of in. Okay. Tell me, guys, what is there? Catch exception E. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Tell me now, what is the story? Yeah, I have to read some inputs are not there. Yeah. System dot out dot println. Enter job seeker name. Oh, marriage seeker. Marriage seeker name. Marriage seeker name. Yeah, tell me. String name is equal to sc dot next. What is next one? Address. Okay. ADDRS. Okay, fine. Next, date of birth. Date of birth. Date of birth I am going to take as a string value that I have to convert into what? Local date class object. Fine. Let's see. Okay. Marriage seeker DOB. Okay. String SDOB is equal to next. Okay. I'm suggesting the format also, guys. Generally, I'm suggesting to give in what? DDMM4 wise. DDMM4 wise. Okay. Date time formatter. What is there? Date time formatter. Date time formatter. Formatter is equal to. What is there? Date time formatter dot off pattern. What is there? Off pattern. Tell me. DDMM 4 wise. DDMM 4 wise. Okay, yesterday we converted object local date class object to string. But today we want to convert string to local date class object. I think format we have used yesterday. Today parse should be there. I'm guessing, guys, if not there, ChatGPT is there, right? Why to take tension, guys? Local date, local date LDOB is equal to local date dot parse. Local date dot parse. What you want to convert? SDOB. In which style you want to convert? Format. There are not there. So we got local date class object also. Fine, guys. Okay, next. Copy this, paste it, enter marriage seeker photo path. What is there? Photo path. Marriage seeker photo path, guys. Okay. Photo path is equal to sc dot next. Enter marriage seeker resume path. And a resume file location, guys, nothing else. What is there? Resume path. We got it, guys? Come on. Right. Next. Is marriage seeker single? Is marriage seeker single? Is marriage seeker single? Tell me, guys. What is there? Boolean flag. Boolean flag. Tell me. Boolean flag. SC dot next to Boolean. Boolean flag next to Boolean. So like this, we are ready with all data, guys. So we are going to have true false kind of thing. Okay, now the challenge is entity class object is expecting what? Byte array, character array, but we have only path of the files. We just got path of the files, nothing else, right? We don't have complete this one also, guys. Come on. That's good. Tell me now. DDMM4 wise, DDMM this one. Enter marriage seeker photo path, enter marriage seeker resume path, all this stuff, right? Okay. Is marriage seeker is single. Convert, convert photo file content to byte array. Photo file content to byte array. Okay, I don't want to create streams separately, guys. Otherwise, instead of opening there, here only I can with a nested resource now, boss. Yeah, tell me. File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of what is there? Photo path. New file input stream of photo path, right? But 1 minute. Get to photo. What is there? Photo file length. Photo file length. File photo file is equal to new file of photo path. Long length is equal to photo file dot length. I'm getting the length of the file. Okay. Now listen carefully. Byte array photo content is equal to new byte array of length. I'm creating array of exact size or not there. I'm creating array of exact size or not there. Sir, why it's giving error? I will tell the reason, guys. It is expecting int, but I got the long value, right? Okay, that's what should I do? Int length. Okay, it is expecting change length too long. Okay, fine. Small typecasting is required, no option. Can't but situation, we cannot do anything. Okay. Yeah, new byte array of what? Length. So we got the array of file size, na? Empty array. Right now it is an empty array or not there. Okay, that's good. Photo content is equal to FIS dot read all bytes. Over. FIS dot read all bytes. End of the story or not? Entire content of the file is now stored into what? Array, na? Which is byte array, right? Okay, fine. That's good. Next, convert, tell me. Resume file content to, what is there? Character array. Resume file content to what? Character array. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Resume file content to character array, guys. Convert resume file content to what? Character array. That's great. Fantastic. Now, so we have to do the same thing, guys. Photo file, resume file. What file? Resume file. Tell me. Resume path. That's fine. Into length. Okay, same length I am using